There are two fundamental sorts of UV telephone cleaners: shut contraptions with a cover and compact sterilizing wands. There are likewise ozonators, for example, gadgets that utilize ozone to eliminate microbes. In this video, we will audit all these sanitizer types beginning from the most well-known and costly gadget. 1. PhoneSoap 3. The UV smartphone sanitizer and universal charger. This Salt Lake City brand is the most popular brand. PhoneSoap's story started in 2016 when it originally showed up on Shark Tank. Lori Greiner gave a green light to this beginning up and put $100,000 in it. As a result, the business is still up and running in today's market. One thing PhoneSoap is definitely good at is marketing. You can't help but be frightened when you hear their slogan stating that a cell phone surface contains 18 times as many bacteria as a public washroom. Another slogan of this brand, "Be healthy with PhoneSoap," also beats the bullseye. We understand that this is not an entertaining but a useful gadget that is as irreplaceable as an antibacterial soap. Is there any proof of its effectiveness, though? The official website of the brand mentions lab test results, but cites no reference to any research. An expert wearing white scrubs can be seen in the presentation, which is staggering. It even compares shoe sole smears to a cell phone screen, but neither his name nor the name of his lab are mentioned. Who knows, this may be a breakthrough scientist from Salt Lake City, or it might as well be an actor. PhoneSoap brags of mentions in Forbes or on CNN, but all these mentions resort to short articles about the venture's success in Shark Tank. In general, all cell phone sanitizer manufacturers claim to kill 99% of germs and give the same arguments for using their products. PhoneSoap's design is definitely its unique selling point. Its exterior is pleasant and usable and resembles a smart phone case, especially targeted at iPhones. Its design is very straightforward. There is an UV lamp and a charging port inside. The latest version also features a port for a second device. After you've put your phone in the case and cleaned it for 5 to 6 minutes, you can charge the battery or use the gadget as a portable power bank. By the way, any other objects of suitable size, credit cards, keys or smartwatches, can also be sanitized inside the device. As for the model range, there are XL sanitizers for tablets, 2 smartphone cleaners different in size and color, and a wireless phone soap. Let us note that although this is the most expensive sanitizer covered, it's not a very durable item. Customers complain that the lamps are not removable, which means that if a lamp breaks down, you'll have to replace the entire device. What do buyers say? Easy. I truly like the simplicity of operation. You basically put your phone in, shut the top, and it immediately sterilizes the phone with ultraviolet light in 10 minutes. Once the light shuts down, your phone is sterilized and set to go. You can even bill your phone while it's being cleansed. I wish it was a little smaller, but I understand they needed to make the box huge sufficient for phones of all sizes. This is a known American brand, rather than a no-name. The manufacturers have an interesting blog providing consumers with statistics and answer consumers' questions. They even do charity work. This gives a competitive edge to PhoneSoap, making it look like a company with the best communication. Naturally, this improves its level of trustworthiness. Check out the current updates and price right below in the description, or scientific data concerning the effectiveness of UV light killing bacteria. Check out https://www.ncbi.nlm.nih.gov. It is well established that UV light kills microbes. I am a microbiologist and I have not seen any literature suggesting otherwise, and this would be big news to the scientific community. This gadget is therefore deemed essential by the microbiologists, is proudly shipped right from America, employing hardworking American folks. You can check it out right below in the description right now. Watch the next part of this mini video series to learn more exciting info about what science really thinks about the effectiveness of UV phone sanitizer. Just click the next screenshot that appears on the top of the screen right after this video ends. See you over there.